Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your security app and navigating straight to the quarantine or history area. This is where removed files live. Once there, inspect the file name, original path, and why it was flagged so you make an informed decision. Make sure you have administrative privileges and a recent backup. Restoring risky items without a backup is avoidable. If the app shows additional details, review them now, because understanding the detection prevents. Next, verify the file with a second scanner or an online multi-engine service to reduce false positive risk. This explains why you should not restore blindly. Once you confirm it's safe, use the security app's restore option and immediately add it to the whitelist or exclusion list so it won't be re-quarantined. Also, restore to the original path and reapply previous permissions so dependent programs continue to work without interruption. Finally, perform the restore action in the quarantine interface and confirm the file lands in the original folder. Once done, rescan the restored file and run the program or open the document to verify functionality. This confirms both integrity and usability. If the file gets re-quarantined, make sure to disconnect from the network and analyze in safe mode or on a sandbox machine. This troubleshooting tip prevents spread and helps you gather evidence for false positive appeals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.